Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, guys, I'll show you how to hook up your Samsung phone. So here I have the S26 Ultra. So let me go ahead and show you. Connect your S26 Ultra. As you can see, this S26 Ultra, I'm going to connect it up to this Samsung TV. So you'll need one of these cables that has on one end a USB-C port, as this one here. I have this one connected to HDMI port one on the TV, and I have the other end here. So one end is like this and the other is like this one. All right, so to hook it up to your TV, it's as simple as connecting it to the back of the TV. Then you're gonna connect the cable. I'll show you the cable in a second. So it's connected to external display, as you just saw now. And if you looked here on the TV, you'll see that it's hooked up. So all I gotta do is navigate to HDMI 1, and there you go. Now, what's happening here is that Samsung Dex. So if I go into setting, let me go back here and I search for Dex. So Samsung Dex is on. So what we're using here is Samsung Dex. So you can actually manipulate the settings. So as you can see here, there's a bunch of settings related to Dex. So that's what you're seeing here in terms of the play. So this is Samsung's operating system. And of course, normally it can also mirror the phone. So if you're not using Desk, you can actually turn off Desk in terms of its auto detecting and playing on Desk. And sometimes it will mirror what's on your exact screen over here, but this is Dex in the background. So it's easy to hook up. You can hook up a mouse and a keyboard and it will work just the same. Right, so just in case you don't want to use the desk. So desk is Samsung, as I said, computer interface that this acts like a computer. You can under Samsung just go to connected. Then you're gonna say here it says extend, show a separate desktop on the connected display. Or of course you can do this one called mirroring, and this is what I was talking about. So as you can see in the background, you can go for mirroring if you don't want to use the desk, where you get the exact thing that's on your display. But of course, if you don't really want that, you can go back to extend. And extend is going to run the Samsung Desk, which allows you to basically have a computer running from your phone. Everything that's over here is over there as well, all your apps and everything. All right. Once you're finished, it's as easy as disconnecting. The TV is going to search, and it's going to say that it's not detecting anything from HDMI, no display from HDMI, but I'm not going to wait on that. So I can hit home, and it will bring the TV back to the main interface. And of course, guys, let me show you the cable. And I've disconnected it. Here we are. So this is the cable itself. You can pick them up, or you can use a normal HDMI with a conversion to USB Type-C. But as you can see, this is one that I'm using. It works fine. And of course, you have the comfort of desk and of course the mirroring effect. So that's how you do it on the Samsung TVs. Work the same on any TV. So of course, because these are both Samsung, it has that extra feature of Dex. Although Dex can work on any monitor, any TV. All right, so that was helpful. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.